Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to change your password on X, previously known as Twitter, using the web version on your PC. If you want to keep your account secure or simply update your login details, this quick guide will walk you through every step with the new layout. First, open your web browser and go to x.com. Sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your homepage, look over to the left-hand side panel and click on the More icon. It looks like 3 dots in a circle and opens up additional options for your account settings. From the menu that appears, click on Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the main settings area where you can manage your profile, security, and preferences. In the settings menu, go to the section labeled Your Account. This area contains all details related to your login, password, and account management. Next, click on Change Your Password. You'll now see 3 password fields. In the first one, enter your current password. This step confirms that it's really you making the change. Then, in the next box, type your new password. Make sure it's strong and something you can remember. Try combining letters, numbers, and symbols for better protection. After that, you'll need to type your new password again in the Confirm Password field to make sure there are no typing mistakes. Take a quick moment to double check everything before continuing. Once all the details look correct, click Save. And that's it. Your password has now been successfully updated on X. From this point on, you'll need to use your new password the next time you log in. Remember to store it somewhere safe and avoid reusing old or easy to guess passwords. Changing your password regularly is a simple but powerful way to help secure your X account. Thanks for watching.